In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view and embed Vimeo videos inside WordPress. Whether you're building a portfolio, sharing a creative project, or just want to add engaging content to your site, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. Let's get started. First, head over to wordpress.com and log in. You'll see the login button at the top right corner. For the fastest experience, choose the Continue with Google option if your accounts are connected. That way you don't have to juggle extra login details. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. On the right panel, look for the quick link called Edit Site, go ahead and click it. This will take you into the editing interface where all the customization happens. Now comes the fun part. On the top left, click the Add button. This opens the block search menu. In the search bar, type in Vimeo. You'll see the Vimeo block appear, click it, and a new Vimeo embed block will be added to your page. All you need to do now is paste your Vimeo video link into the block. WordPress automatically handles the rest, no coding required. Within seconds, your video will be beautifully embedded right inside your content. And that's it. You've successfully added a Vimeo video to your WordPress site. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick WordPress tips.